Okay guys, today I'm going to do another unboxing of this package that I received from TEMU. Yet again is another random package of stuff that I ordered. So let us see what came in the package. Remember guys, I'm not sponsored. It's just video of certain things that I ordered from TEMU. Let's see. Alright. Some of these items are under $1. This one is just a pair of gloves. Reusable latex gloves. Okay. This here is just some dishcloths that I ordered. I think 5 of them came in the package. Reusable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can be used for wiping and doing all of the light stuff in the kitchen. Okay. So this other one here, well, this is a mini umbrella. It's a folding manual umbrella. This one is not the automatic type, just a folding umbrella. Don't forget guys, I'm going to put the price so that you can see what I paid for it. Again, oh, these are just some garbage bags. A roll, 1, 2, 4, 5 of them in the pack. Price you'll be able to see it a bit later. Oh, this is actually clothing. This is a top that I ordered. Probably might try it on so that you'll be able to see. This is a 2X large. Beautiful top that I ordered. The quality seemed to be okay, but I'll try it on guys and you'll be able to see that a bit later. Some of the stuff I'm not sure exactly what it is because I ordered it some time ago. Let's see what's in this package. Oh, this is a grinding stone, so that probably I could sharpen my cutlass and anything that I need to grind. I just need to attach it to the grill. Maybe I'll do another video, attach it to the drill, so that I'll be able to get some grinding done. But this is just a headband. This is under $1. Normal headband. This here, let's see what's in this box. I'm not too sure. Oh, these are the UV ray sunglasses that I got. Just a pair of sunglasses, nicely wrapped. Wow. I'm gonna stick the price so that you'll be able to see. Sunglasses, UV ray protection sunglasses. Cute. Now this one is just a pair of reading glasses. So, reading computer glasses. You could check these out. The strength is +300. Let's see what else again we got. And this box is all crushed. Let's see. Oh, this is an adapter. I ordered this adapter. This is for my cable TV box, so that I could actually use it. It's 110 to 240 volts, so you could use it on either power. Alright, an adapter cable. Now this here, let's see what's in this box here. Properly packed. Oh, this is a staple gun. Nail stapling gun. Oh, there it is, guys. It's a lot smaller than I thought. So what I will do a separate video of it so that we can see how it works. Let's see if I got any staples with it. Yes, I did get a box of staples. Alright, so we have the 3 kinds of staples. This is the nail shape, the U, the flat, and these are the nail staples. So I'm going to do a separate video of it so that we will see how this staple gun, this staple machine actually works. But it seems pretty decent. It seems heavy. Manual nail gun, and it can be used for staples. Seems very nice. And it also has the adjuster button right here, so you could adjust it as to how you want it to work for you. Okay, see what else again we've got. Alright, this here, this here is just a card reader, USB card reader. So you could put in your micro USB and your mini USB cord, so that you could attach it to your computer or any device that you have that's Android and you need a USB input in it in terms of connecting your other devices. Alright, now this last one here, as usual, you know I always like to get shoes. This is a pair of lightweight shoes. This is it here. As usual, I'm gonna try it on so that you'll be able to see how it fits. The size is a 41. Usually I take a 42, but this is a 41, and you see it has some good grip, solid, that it will be able to withstand when you're walking in rainy weather or in muddy weather. Pretty. So I'm gonna try it on. So stay tuned. I will show you different bits and pieces in terms of what I've tried on and what I've used and how it works. So please like and subscribe. Please like my videos. I've got on product review, or you could look through TEMU hauls, and I've got maybe 5 or 6 videos, so you're able to watch and you'll be able to see all the products that I got from TEMU. Remember, I'm not sponsored, guys, but if you would just at least give me a like, subscribe to my videos, then you'll be able to help my channel to grow. Alright, so these are all the things that I got from TEMU. Please like and subscribe. Calabash green, only on TEMU. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Remember this drill? Drill. So I'm just going to test this grinding wheel. Put it in here. Make sure that is secure. So there it is. So if you want to grind, if you want to sharpen your knife, your cutlass, it's all there, it's secure. You have your knife and you want to sharpen it,